Are you overwhelmed juggling emails, social media posts, and ad campaigns for your business? Wish you had an assistant to handle all those marketing tasks so you can focus on what you love? Well, meet QuickHub. It's like giving your small business the marketing superpower of a big company. Emails, texts, WhatsApp, socials, and ads, all from one friendly dashboard. Welcome to QuickHub 101. The first episode of our QuickHub for Beginner series. In this video, I'll guide you through the basic setup so you can hit the ground running. So what exactly is QuickHub? Simply put, it's all-in-one marketing automation platform designed for busy people like you and me. It helps you manage your online reputation, send marketing campaigns, and create social media posts all in one place. Picture this: emails, text, messages, Facebook posts, even WhatsApp messages and ads, all handled from one dashboard. No more jumping between tools or apps every day. QuickHub gives small businesses the same automation superpowers Fortune 500 enjoy. Pretty cool, right? In fact, QuickHub is like 5 tools in one. Review, for managing customer reviews and building your online reputations. Social, for scheduling social media posts, tackling performance and engaging your audience on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Chat, for staying on top of messages with customers and using smart chatbots to help with real-time support. Campaign, for creating and sending marketing campaigns via emails, SMS, and WhatsApp to reach your audience and drive results. Ads, for creating, managing, and optimizing online advertisements campaigns across platforms like Google, Facebook, and Instagram to attract more customers and boost visibility. And the beauty is, all these tools are integrated and talk to each other. The goal here is to simplify your marketing, less time doing repetitive tasks, more time growing your business. QuickHub can automate those little tasks, welcome emails, or ask for a review, so they happen automatically without you lifting a finger. Let's get you set up on the QuickHub. It's pretty straightforward. First, head over to QuickHub website and click Start Free Trial. You can also find QuickHubs on the App Store or Google Play if you prefer using your phone. Sign up with your business email and secure password. Once you created your account and logged in, you'll handle on your QuickHub dashboard. It's clean, intuitive interface built for business owners, designed so you can finish a task before your coffee gets cold. A menu for the different sections, campaigns for social, reviews, chat, CRM, workflows, and much more. QuickHub often provides a short tour on your first login. Follow along, it will highlight where everything is. Trust me, they've made it user-friendly so you're not overwhelmed. Connect your social media accounts, link your Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and X, Twitter accounts to QuickHub so you can manage everything in one place. This integration lets you schedule posts, track engagement, run ads, and monitor performance directly from your dashboard. It also helps keep your branding consistent and save time by eliminating the need to log into each platform separately. Don't let tech jargon scare you. QuickHub provides step-by-step instructions verifying your email domains, boost your visibility, and lets you campaign from your real business address. QuickHub's dashboard is meant to be explored, and every workflow starts with a goal and walks you through minimum setup to get there. That's it for the basics. You learned what QuickHub is all about and got your account set up. That wasn't so bad, right? In the next video, we'll actually create your first marketing campaign in QuickHub. We'll go step by step. You'll see just how easy it is, especially with QuickHub's handy templates and even some AI help for content. Let's recap. Today we covered how QuickHub combines multiple marketing tools into one platform, and we walked through setting up your accounts. You're all set to start exploring and using QuickHub. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more QuickHub tips and tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I am here to help. Alright, see you in the next video. Simplify your marketing, amplify your vibes.